he liked the girl, and girl was never interested in him. As recently as on 15th of April, he approached her and proposed to marry her, but the girl said that she had no such idea, no such plans, and he had always seen him as her elder brother, and there is no question or no way she would marry him. So this infuriated him, and then he planned to harm her. And on 28th of April, he procured the acid. And 27th, again he approached her, where she flatly refused. She said no, she didn't want to marry him. And then on 28th morning, he threw acid on her. So because he is desperate, doesn't want to. He was very clear that he would not be arrested. He shouldn't be arrested by police. He could have harmed himself also, but then he tried to escape, and then police had to take action against him.